I ordered this new phone from Poco, and it just got delivered today. And nowadays Flipkart delivery boys like open the box in front of you, so that's why the box is open. So the phone which I ordered is Poco M4 5G, and it cost like original cost is like 12,999, but since there was an offer going on through SBI card, I got it for like 11,000. So let's first of all let's take a look about the feature. It's a 5G phone, as you can see, and it has got Mediatek Dimensity 700 processor, 90 Hz full HD display, 50 megapixel camera, and 5000 mAh battery, which supports 18 watt of fast charging. And this is a blue color which I got. Also, it is a 7nm processor. It has got 240 Hz touch sampling rate. It's IP52 rated. It has also got UFS 2.2 storage and one IR blaster. So let's quickly open the box and let's see what's inside the box. So this is the box, this is the phone itself. There is the fast charger, the USB cable, and this is a 22 watt charger, although the phone supports only 18 watt charger. This is the type A to type C cable. Also we get a SIM ejector, the TPU case, and some documentation. The case looks good. So that's all inside the box, and I have ordered this phone in blue color. So here is the phone. Let's peel off the sticker. So this is how it looks. So here is the 50 megapixel camera, the primary sensor, and this is a plastic build. The side has got some flat edges. On the top there is an IR blaster, a 3.5mm jack. On the bottom there is a type C port, speaker grill, and a port for mic. Also we'll see so we can like use two SIM cards with one micro SD card slot.
Down 2 fingers to enable accessibility cancel.
So let's set up it quickly. So we are done setting up the device, and here's the device. We will see the about. So this is running on MI Global 13 version, and Android version is 12, as you can see. So this is running on the latest Android version 12, and it has got internal storage of 64 GB, and has got this full HD plus display. So this is how it looks with the cover. Kind of looks okay, not like really good, but we cannot expect too much in that price. So yeah, that's all about the unboxing of this device. I will see you in the next video.